Hi, I'm Juanito Demetrio, and I am going to present a Filipino innovation in green technology. There are three major problems of electric vehicles. Number one, EV batteries have to be charged for about 4 to 8 hours at the nearest charging station or the conventional electrical outlet. 2. The range is limited, which is only 50 kilometers in this study. And 3. Because of these limitations, it can cause users battery anxiety. The objectives of this research and development project are divided into two stages. For research, this study aims, number one, to address the major problems of the electric vehicles, and two, to produce functional and workable experimental and product prototypes. For commercialization, this study aims, number three, to mainstream electric solar vehicles, and 4, to improve the acceptance rate of green technology worldwide. R&D constitutes the first stage of development of a potential new service or the production process. It starts with a cycle of research and development where experimentation and observation methods are mainly used. Then it is followed by the product conceptualization, and lastly, the formulation of the schematic diagram of the product mechanics. In OBoCS4EV, a second 12 volts battery is connected to the solar panel, which plays the role of a power bank. The solar panels with photovoltaic cells on top of the electric vehicle receive energy of light from the sun, converting it into electricity by the photovoltaic effect and passing through the solar charge controller, which regulates electricity and temporarily stores the harvested electricity to the auxiliary rechargeable battery, the power bank. Here, the direct current or DC system is used. Upon reaching a certain amount of volt power, it is then forwarded to the inverter, which in turn would convert electricity into AC. This will enable the system to charge the rechargeable main battery through the charger, which operates on AC system. Then, electricity flows to the motor and runs to the motor controller. This is a constant process even when the vehicle is in motion and as long as the sun is there. Through a grant from Universidad de Zamboanga, an experimental prototype was assembled in 2017. This prototype has not been recharged since then and has been continuously used for test runs. With the funding coming from TAPI DOST under the Industry-Based Invention Development or EBID program, a product prototype was assembled and is now ready for interested investors for its commercialization and mass production. On a typical sunny day, the OBoCS4EV can automatically fully charge the main batteries within 5.5 hours and could fast charge 80% of the primary motor batteries within 1.5 hours. Using the power bank concept enables the electric vehicle to charge continuously the main battery on board and to have unlimited range without the use of in-grid charging stations or conventional electrical outlets. There are 4 areas for research on electric vehicles. This research only touches on the first area of research, sustainability. The other areas on power, speed, and design could be subject to researches in the future. For car manufacturers, it is recommended to embrace green technology through electric solar vehicles, which could save millions or billions of dollars and lessen the carbon footprint of the automotive industry. Through the Intellectual Property Rights Assistance Program of TAPI DOST, OBoCS was issued a Patent Utility Model Certificate on July 29, 2020. Thank you for watching my presentation. Please support the onboard charging system for electric vehicles.